Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put data usage on your home screen of the mobile. See here, when I click on this with a single tap, I can get to know what is the data usage of my mobile. That can be with the mobile data usage or that can be with the Wi-Fi data usage. So yeah, let me remove this and re-add it again so that you will also get to know. First of all, this is nothing mobile. This works on any Android mobile. Okay, uh, on your Android mobile, what you need to do is just tap and hold on your home screen for a few seconds so that you will see widgets option. Tap on this widgets and see here all your app related widgets will be available here, right? You need to scroll down until you find this settings gear icon and click on the settings and drag and drop. So for settings, there will be a lot of shortcuts you can keep on the home screen, out of which you can just tap on this data usage so that you'll get this data usage on the home screen. So single tap you can get to know mobile data usage and Wi-Fi data usage. According to the app wise, you'll get the data. And see here, there is a filter like range here. So within that range you can get to know the data usage. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.